Hello everyone. So for the next couple of weeks I will be posting one video with banana ingredient in it. So it could be banana cake or banana dessert because I've received a lot of requests on how to make banana cakes and how to make banana dessert. This is why I'm going to post at least one recipe on bananas every week for the next couple of weeks. Now, you can use any type of bananas, stale bananas. I usually use stale bananas because, they're more sweeter and yeah, I just enjoy them really. The banana recipe that I'm going to show you today is going to have a twist to it as usual. You put your ice cream cones and mix with Nutella. There's no measurements on how much Nutella you need because honestly there is never enough Nutella. After mixing it all up, you want to make a bowl and put one nut inside. But if you're not a fan of nuts, you can put something else. You can put like maybe chocolate. The same applies to this part. If you're not a fan of nuts, honestly, you can put sprinkles or anything that you like besides nuts. I use a stick to dip my chocolate ball because it's more neater and it doesn't get your hands dirty. So you want to dip inside the nuts as well and leave to dry. Here is one sample to show you what it looks like inside. Then you would want to cut out your bananas. Two bananas should be fine for this. After putting the bananas and the chocolate balls in the tray, you want to put your sweetened whipped cream inside on top. Make a little bit of a hole in the middle so that the chocolate won't spill all over, and then freeze for 2 hours. But if you are going to eat the dessert immediately, then you don't need to freeze it. Now, look at this, guys. Honestly, this is so amazing and so yummy. I love it. I love this recipe and I love this cake. What a unique way to impress and also enjoy.